Hi, my name is Keith Dunnavant. I'm the VP of Offer Strategy and Portfolio Management here at Munters. And today I'm in Daleville, Virginia at our factory where we're producing what's called a DeltaFlow coolant distribution unit for aligned data centers. And right now we're looking at the first stage of the production where we're assembling the base frames with an integrated drain pan and some superstructure. As we move on down, you'll see we're now adding the corner post, adding the pump, adding the braze plate heat exchanger, and starting to add some of the piping. Continuing down, we've now added our 25 micron filter for the technology fluid. From the pump, discharge goes into the heat exchanger where that warm fluid from the servers is cooled down. It now goes into the filter, comes out of the filter, and then goes back to the servers to reabsorb the heat and begin the cycle all over again. And finally here, we're at the end of the line where we're beginning to do testing to validate that the system is ready to ship. And so that's a quick overview of the production here of the DeltaFlow coolant distribution unit.